Hey guys, welcome back to our Braided Unity Cross DIY. In this part 2 video, you'll see us sanding, staining, and painting our project. And we're going to stain it with Provincial 211 mid-wax. I don't think you're supposed to shake it actually. T-shirt here, that's what I'm going to stay with. I got the gloves on, I got my old clothes on. We are ready to roll for sure. Go ahead and stick that up there. I used to have stirring sticks. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is just making sure I stir the stain really well, but not making any bubbles. I will then take my t-shirt and stain one side at a time. After each side is stained, I will take the other side of my t-shirt, the clean side, and wipe it all off, making sure it is all even and stained.
Look at that.
Looks good.
All right, now we need to cut the cross. So we'll get the measurements and we will be right back.
So I think what we decided was on our board to have the cross start an inch from the trim. So an inch from our trim on both bottom and top. So we're going to cut the board using a straight edge miter.
Got a little off. Here's the right line there. So we'll make the straight cut here. So okay, so we're gonna miter it on that cut. So I just line it up with the hole here. We'll miter it down. There we go. See what she looks like. Oh, that's it.
Perfect. Now we're just gonna see
How wide we want to go.
How long we want to go with the sides of the cross.
I'm thinking like 8 inches, 8.5.
Yeah.
8.5.
Maybe 8. Or do 8.5, and then if it's 2, well, I'm gonna go down.
Alright guys, I measured each left and right side of the cross 8 inches. I'm going to cut it on the miter. There we go. Alright guys, there we go. Got them on the board. We'll just have Riley stain them. There's our knobs for it. So we'll have Riley paint them. Paint the cross and paint the border. And then we'll show you an update once they are ready to be tacked down.
I went ahead and gave it just a little coat while I had some time last night. They need another sanding down. And we have some marks, if you couldn't see on that one, we have some marks. Those need to go away. And I need to smooth out this primer. And so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It's just sanding all these down real good. And then I'm going to slap another coat of paint on there. But yeah, let's get started sanding these babies down. Okay, so I got them all wiped down, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and start painting. I just got the Rust-Oleum Painters Ultra Cover Premium Latex paint in flat white at our Menards here. And so that's what I'm going to be using. I almost used kind of like chalk paint, but I didn't. I feel like this does just as fine since it's flat. It's not a glossy. I didn't want glossy. And it covers really well. Like I said, I just brushed over quickly like a primer coat last night, and it covers really well. And I love this pine because it goes on so smoothly. I already wiped them all down. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just using a little foam brush. I think that works best for me right now. And I have a bigger one. I use the bigger one for the bigger pieces and the smaller one for the smaller pieces. For my tray, I'm just using like a paper plate or a styrofoam plate. This just allows me to, kind of dip a little bit and kind of brush it off to the side like that. Because like I said, you do not want a lot because it's going to then get on the sides. So I put about 3 coats on each of these boards on each side. You probably only really need 2, but I did 3 just to make sure it was all good and covered. And I'm probably going to give it one more sand down at the very end, so I thought 3 was necessary. Thanks for checking out part 2 of this video. Stay tuned for part 3.